Hello everyone, myself Payal and I'm back again with another tutorial. So today I'm going to share with you my design team haul from Dress My Craft, and here I have a two giant box with full of the craft supplies. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and here is my Instagram ID. So if you want a small tutorial, small IGTV tutorial, then you can also follow me on my Instagram. So let's start the video. So first here I have a Dress My Craft sequence family set which comes in a 12 in a pack, which has a 12 beautiful colors. As you can see, the quality of this sequence are amazing and the colors are so vibrant. You can use this sequence in your shaker project. And after that I have this mini sequence family set from Dress My Craft, which has also 12 different shades, and you can use this tiny sequences to make your own danglers. You can also use to make your shaker element. So in this way I have this two sequence family set. Look at the colors. Colors are so beautiful and so vibrant, and it has also the neon sequence which is hard to find it. And after that I have this plain glass ball, and you can easily fill your mini sequences into this glass ball and you can make your own danglers with the help of this one. And then I have all this flower making stuff which you can use to make your own flowers. So I have these pollens, these beads, and I have ordered few of them. You can also find so many colors of pollens on Dress My Craft website. And then I have this soft floral oriental paper. This one is the best to make a flowers. It holds the shape of flowers so beautifully. And after that I have this fruit salad shaker slices. They look so beautiful in your shaker project, and look at the quality and the colors of these shaker slices. And after that I have one more shaker slice, and this is a dessert mix, and wow, this is the cutest shaker slice ever. And after that I have this cutting dies. So first I have this floral die, and then this is a vintage clock die, and this is a doily die which is my most favorite. And then I have this beautiful wedding collection of cutting dies. After that I have ordered this Whispering Love collection kit, which comes with the 6x6 inch paper pack, motif sheet, and the 12x12 inch paper pack. Color palette of this paper pack is amazing, which has a hot pink with the dark green, and I just love it. And then I have this my most favorite paper pack, a dream door, which also comes with the 6x6 inch paper pack, coordinating motif sheet, and also the 12x12 inch paper pack. All this paper pack has a 24 papers with the 12 different designs. And then I have this dots and stripe paper pack, which has an amazing watercolor background. This paper pack is so versatile. You can use this paper pack with the so many ways. And then I have this is a cute critters paper pack, and I just wanted to show all the papers. It has a super cute element and they are so adorable. Like, I just love this paper pack. I'm so excited to use it. Dress My Craft paper pack has so many layers. Like, you don't need to work so much on it. You can find a watercolor effect, you can find a stripes, you can find a script. So this is a perfect paper pack. And then I have this coordinating motif sheet, and you just have to fussy cut all this element and you can use it in your project. I have this amazing transfer me sheet. So I have so many design of it. So let me show you one by one. Transfer me sheets are very easy to use it, and it's so quick. Like, you just need a water to transfer the sheets. And I have also uploaded few videos about the transfer me sheets on my Instagram, so you can also check it out. And look at the designs. The designs are so amazing. And the best part about the transfer me sheet is that you can transfer it on any surface. You can transfer it on a wood, you can transfer it on a plastic, you can also transfer it on a fabric. So this is a very versatile and it's very easy. You can create a beautiful project out of transfer me sheets in just a minute, and it's so quick and it's so affordable. I would recommend you all to try these transfer me sheets once, and they are so amazing. Like, I don't have words to say more about it. And I'm also going to mention all the links in a description box, and you can also check it out, Dress My Craft and Crafters Corner website. You will see so many tutorials about transfer me sheet on my Instagram as well as on my YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is all about Dress My Craft design team haul. So many of you ask me about how to become a part of design team. Then if you want a detailed video about design team portion, then just comment below. I will make another video for it. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.